Welcome to our do-it-yourself measuring video for window coverings. Today we're going to talk about in our showroom measuring the difference between inside mount and outside mount. Before I start the demonstration, please make sure you have the most important tool with you to do this process, a steel measuring tape. Step 1. Ensure proper depth. Step 2. Ensure you have no obstruction in your window. Step 3. Measure the width in 3 spots, top, middle, and then the bottom. And record the smallest of all 3 measurements. Step 4. Now we will measure the height. Left, center, and right. Now we will record the largest of the 3 measurements. This is how we measure for outside mount. Measure in 3 spots, top, middle, bottom. Now we'll measure the height in 3 spots as well. Left, center, and right. Notice how we are going from trim to trim. As well as adding 2 inches to the width, please add up to 3 inches for your desired product on the height as well. Thanks for joining us at Sunshades today, going through the do-it-yourself way to measure windows, both inside mount and outside mount. Hope you enjoyed it. Thank you.